In this video, I'll show you how to program your RCA Universal Remote Control. You do not need to find any codes. I'll show you how to do it in just a few minutes. So let's get started. So the step number one is to turn on your TV manually. You can do this because most TVs have a button under over here to turn them on, or sometimes the button is located on the side. So go ahead, push that button and turn on your TV. Then take your remote control, make sure it has fresh batteries. And then what you need to do is to press this code search button on the top right corner until the light over here lights up and stays on. So let me press on it. And then I can release it. Next step, you need to press once on the TV button over here. Next step, you'll have to point the remote control towards the TV. You press this power button and you wait a second to see if the TV turns off. If the TV does not turn off, you press again on it. You do this until the TV turns off. Then after doing this, in the next 3 seconds, you need to be quick. You need to press the enter button once to confirm. So let me demonstrate. And by the way, while I was talking, you see the light over here, the red light turned off. It means I just need to redo the steps that I showed you previously. Like this, then TV once, and now I'll press the power button. Okay, nothing happened. Again, nothing, nothing, nothing. You may have to do this, as I said, multiple times. Maybe it will take even a few minutes, because right now the remote goes through all the TV codes that it has. Oh, here we go. It worked. So now I'll go ahead and press the enter button once, and the light over here will turn off. Perfect. The remote is now synced with your TV. Now let's try to power on the TV using the remote control. Perfect, it worked. What you can do next is to try to use the volume buttons and make sure that every button that you want is working. If your remote is not working properly, don't worry. All you have to do is to redo the same steps. Code search, then TV, and then the power button. It just means that the remote control did not find the right code for your TV. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.